Welcome back to Shib Kai. The CEO of Shiba Inu has issued a final warning, as you were forewarned before to Shib News. In this video, we'll discuss the latest warning from the CEO of Shiba Inu, which you were warned about before Shib News. Shibu, the second largest dog-inspired meme coin in the world by market capitalization and an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain, has been consolidating in the 0.11 to 0.115 area over the past few days. Shib is still restrained to the upside by its 50-day moving average around 0.115, while the 21, 100, and 200 MAs all continue to act as a magnet to the price action. For our most recent content on expert analysis and Shibu price predictions, don't forget to hit the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel. Without further ado, let's get started with the video. Although Shib's latest trading volume has been trending higher recently, some believe it is soon going to pop higher based on data sourced from CoinGecko. Even before the day finished, Shib trading volumes across exchanges reached an amazing $420 million on Wednesday. This comes after trading volumes on Tuesday nearly reached $600 million, the highest level since mid-March since the beginning of the year. Shib trade volumes have been steadily growing with robust price performance. Shiba Inu has increased by about 40% this year despite good performance from the beginning of the year. Although Shib broke above the downtrend from this high late last month, it is still down about 30% from earlier yearly highs in the 0.16 area. If Shib can break free of its cloud of major moving averages, which is still acting as a drag, and move above support turned resistance in the mid-0.11, it may be able to threaten a retest of these earlier yearly highs. The Shiba included in Twitter's logo, the planned changes to the Shiba Inu ecosystem should be a tailwind for optimism, and in the approaching weeks, you should start to see some genuine movement on all things the multiverse despite Shib's significant decline from earlier annual highs in the 0.16 area major Shib. Whales appear to be holding onto their tokens and not giving up, according to on-chain data cited by Whale Stats, which shows the number of transactions being conducted by the top 100 users of the Ethereum blockchain. This was stated by Marcy Jastrow, the lead of the Shino Metaverse development team, in a recent post to the Shiba Inu community's Discord channel, which was shared on Twitter on Tuesday by well-known Shibu proponent Lucy. Rich show whales has decreased to almost nothing every day since the middle of February after previously being in the 100s, indicating that whale sentiment is still strong. Whether the Shib can increase its value 10 times from its current levels is a difficult task, at least in the short term. A gain of 7 times would cause the market cap of Shiba Inu to soar to approximately $47 billion and push the company to new all-time highs in the upper 0.88 area. If the U.S. Federal Reserve were to start a significant rate-cutting cycle later this year in an effort to stave off a U.S. bank crisis recession, and if Shibu developers continue to give Shib new utility by broadening the scope of the Web3 project's ecosystem, then the cryptocurrency could conceivably see 10 times gains in the coming years, while Shiba Inu fails to break the crucial resistance level of 0.000152 on the one-day chart. One of the largest Shib whales is buying the dip, according to crypto tracking service Whale Stats. The cryptocurrency would lose a zero and expand its market capitalization to above $65 billion. Just a short while ago, on April 4th, the 254th largest Ethereum whale purchased 229.99 billion Shib worth approximately $2.58 million, according to Whale Stats. The unknown grand owner of the Shiba Inu, also known by the synonym Blue Whale 73, has continued his purchasing binge over the last 3 days. Yesterday, Blue Whale 73 acquired 14,878 billion Shib worth approximately $1.65 million in a single transaction. Though the whale's purchase of Shiba Inu in the previous 72 hours has brought the total to an eye-popping 37,874 billion Shib worth $423 million. The buying pressure from the unidentified Shib investor has not been sufficient to push the Shib upward against market trends. Since the beginning of Shiba Inu, a request from the SHIB army was made to the founder Roshi when SHIB 0.01 was launched. This request was then passed on to Shoshi, and both visionaries knew the time would come to provide exponential SHIB value. Nevertheless, Ethereum Whales continues to believe in the rising price of SHIB. In their most recent update at the end of March, WallStats reported that SHIB remains the most popular investment among e-whales, second only to stable coins. Burns in the form of SHIRAM. Although Koyot token burned over 6.1 billion SHIB tokens in March alone, with a major burn anticipated in the coming days. Many have yet to fully comprehend the true vision of SHIRAM until it materializes. However, this burn is not the Koi smart contract automated 2% tax SHIB tax burn. However, the founder of Kintaro Koyo and his medium stated to expect billions of dollars in volume, millions of dollars in rewards, and ultimately, millions of SHIB burns with continuous burns. Many have questioned how it is even possible to provide context given the current SHIB market cap of 6,400 and 338,680 and circulation supply of 589,542,816,415.73. 99.9999% of the entire SHIB supply would need to burn in order to reach the target SHIB of 0.01. Based on the SHIB's current price of 0.195, 588 trillion SHIB tokens would need to be burned, leaving a circulating supply of 589 trillion, which at the current market cap of $6,452 million would translate to $0.01. First, let's focus on the optimistic outlook for the KU token. The platform expects to generate billions of dollars in volume. If they were to work off standard transaction fees plus borrowing fees on perpetual trading platforms, working off $1 billion in dollar trading volume per month, this could equate to over $20 million in Koyo monthly revenue generated. This could result in a conservative estimate of the amount of money that would need to be raised in order to achieve such a massive target. We next need to take into consideration that SHIRAM will burn. If $0 million worth of SHIBs are burned each month, applying this over the next 12 months would be $120 million worth of SHIBs burned annually, or roughly 10,989 billion SHIB tokens burned annually. Given the volume of money coming into and going out of the Koyo trading and financial services platform, as well as the fact that Kanaro also verified in his statement 70% of all revenue is derived from transaction fees. We therefore hereby declare that Koyo will incorporate shibaswap as the exclusive swap for all trading via the Koyo trading platform and financial services protocol to ensure we add value and volume onto shibaswap SHIRAM once again, allowing the Shiba ecosystem to benefit. A faithful friend will never conduct in competitive strategies with its trusted alliance, Shiba Inu. This implies that every swap on the Koyo platform would have an API to the shibaswap, which means that all of the benefits of SWAP flow back to the shibaswap, increasing volume and SHIB in addition to VC opportunities. Burns now considers that the Koyo trading platform will add other Sharian projects that comply with Shoshi guidelines and benefit the SHIB ecosystem through Burns and the SHIB Doggy DAO Foundation. This could lead to Sharian projects receiving enormous trade volume, significantly increasing the likelihood that they will be listed on Tier 1 stacks. More importantly, these projects will increase volume on the SHIRAM network and their ecosystems will add to the SHIB burn pool. We know of Roshi's vision, and Shoshi speaks of when the vision comes together piece by piece and forming the final jigsaw puzzle. Are we finally seeing the net plan coming together to create an artistic masterpiece, aligning with the Shiba Inu ecosystem? That's it for today. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up. The mysterious entry of the Koyo token and its storyline are slowly beginning to unravel a developing Koi army that pledges its loyalty and allegiance to the SHIB army and a developing platform set to become a key shibainu ecosystem beneficiary. This means potentially becoming one of the biggest contributors to the SHIB army's long-awaited to hit SHIB 0.01. To view our most recent content, please like and subscribe to the channel.